Yes, mother. Yes, I reached to Jamaica. Yes, I'm in the community right now. No, mother. They didn't catch me at the airport. Yes, the coronavirus is safe with me. I'm trying to get some you know, you know the mauler frog.
Oh man.
It's a mauler rat bat, but I hear the rat bat is too far, so we call you back. I see a dog going down the street. Ching pow pow. Mother, you call me too much. Hang up now. Ching pow pow bow. Ching pow pow.
Oh man.
Yes.
Bomba Corona run, Jesus! Corona run! Bomba!
Ching pow pow. Wait for me.
Jamaica reach! Corona reach!
What the happened to you, huh?
Bruh.
What with this Jamaican? I'm going to get some mala.
People here boy, Sour Orange and me they are representing for Javan and Zed. Now make sure you subscribe to Eat Boss channel Zed and go down there so and click the red button there and make sure you say you click the bell and invite all of the girl them and your family member and share to your friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, Zed. Yeah. We have to show them a video for them watch it. Yeah. A new year. We need to subscribe.